we stayed 2 nights in the Amangalla Suite, and now we have moved to a different suite. This one is just labeled as Suite at Amangalla in Galle, Sri Lanka. And the reason we're moving here is actually we prefer this room. We were only supposed to be here for 2 nights, but unfortunately Wild Coast Tented Lodge near Yala National Park is no longer accessible, and they're not accepting guests due to heavy rain in the area, so we couldn't get there. We would not be able to get there by vehicle even if we wanted to. So we stayed at Amangalla Suite for 2 nights, but this is a different room, a suite. Amangalla Suite technically is a higher category room, but there's pros and cons, and it's not cut and dry that the Amangalla Suite is the best room. You can see, first of all, vaulted ceilings. And also you have a really segregated living room and bedroom with a door, which is kind of nice. And you have a garden view, whereas the Amangalla Suite has a view of, semi-view of the Indian Ocean and the Galle Fort area. But see, you can get another view from here. So an honest goodness separate bedroom, which is nice if your significant other likes to be sleeping undisturbed. Okay, and the other nice thing is you notice because of the vaulted ceilings, or they're able to do vaulted ceilings because there is no room above. And one of the things that we noticed with the Amangalla Suite is it is a bit noisier. It faces the street, and also there is the floor in which it's located on. There's a hallway, and then they open the windows across from the room, and people can check it out and enjoy the view of the Indian Ocean, having sundowners, among other things. So there's people that, come by to check it out. So there's also a staff room, I think, and there were some sounds, and the staff room is actually directly below the Amangalla Suite, but we noticed, sounds coming in from, coming into the room quite prominently. So that's one of the reasons why we kind of explored the idea of a different room. So this is the toilet. This is the shower. And also, again, the Amangalla Suite, you open the door, you walk in, you have the bathroom, and then further down is the bedroom, and then the living room. There's no sealed off, they're not sealed off from one another. There's no door dividing them. And so if I'm working and the missus is sleeping, then I would actually have to walk through the bedroom to get to the bathroom, not to mention that if I turn on the bathroom, the light will seep into the bedroom because, again, there is no solid door that keeps the sound and the light away. So this is the main living area. Complimentary fruit.
Can I put that in the living area?
Okay. And so you can see again, it has vaulted ceilings, high ceilings, which is kind of nice. Again, this used to be the New Orient Hotel. The other thing is, so I talked to the general manager and raised the idea maybe they could use more sound insulation, as well as maybe like soundproof windows or double pane windows. And she said they're not allowed to do that. Again, this is in the heart of the UNESCO-inscribed Galle Fort in Sri Lanka. So, and this is a historic hotel, which was previously a New Orient Hotel. So they're not actually able to there's a limited amount of things that they can do to improve it. You can see that there's a courtyard. To the left is the entrance to the spa area. And then there's actually, can't see it from here, but further ahead, beyond the wall, there's a pool area. So again, you can see that there is a higher floor, but there's no floor above this particular room. So hopefully the sound will, it'll be more peaceful for us when we stay here. All right. So there we go. Actually, you can see here, just noticed something. Some artisan doing some work. Anyway, so this is more like a standard suite hotel room where you have a separate living room from the bedroom and the bathroom, and you don't actually have to go through the bedroom to get to the bathroom either, which is nice when you just want to relax and you have a significant other that has different ideas of how they want to pass the time in the room relative to how you do. So this is the suite room. By the way, one thing to note, this room of the suite category, I asked, and not all regular suite rooms at Amangalla have this type of layout. It's not a foregone conclusion that you're going to have a similar type of room with the vaulted ceilings and privacy in the way that this room offers. So if you're looking for a suite room of this type, you could do worse than asking for room 22 at Amangalla in Galle, a UNESCO old town in Sri Lanka. Hope you enjoyed it.